Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण एक नवीन टॉपिक या चॅप्टरमध्ये शिकत आहोत. Dear student, we can start a new topic in this chapter, that is a pressure of liquid. Before this video lecture of 8th class, we studied that is a pressure, the definition of pressure, formula of pressure, unit of pressure, and before this we study the pressure of solid. In this video lecture we study that is pressure of liquid. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओ लेक्चर मध्ये आपण लिक्विड प्रेशर स्टडी करणार आहोत. ड्यूरिंग दिस video lecture or during this topic, you know how that liquid creates the pressure on just any object there. Liquids are called a fluid. All the liquids are fluid. Why they are called fluid? Because they have ability to flow. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्व जे लिक्विड्स आहेत आपण त्यांना फ्लुइड्स म्हणतो. फ्लुइड्स means the substance which have ability to flows from a region of high concentration to the region of low concentration, and hence they are called fluid. Conventionally water can flows from high level to the low level. Always water flows from high level to the low level. Any liquid is there that have tendency to flows from high level to the low level. In this way, here all the liquids are fluids because they have tendency to flow. म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये वाहण्याची टेंडन्सी आहे. They have tendency to flow. They have ability to flow from region of high level, high concentration to region of low concentration. Hence, the liquids are called fluid. Dear student, liquid, we fill the liquid into different container. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण आपल्या घरी भांड्यांमध्ये कंटेनरमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या कंटेनरमध्ये आपण पाणी भरून ठेवतो. Water is just commonly liquid. And you know that water can create the pressure on walls of container in which they can be filled. Water creates or exert the pressure on walls of container in which they can be filled, or liquid exert the pressure on walls of container in which they can be filled. And pressure of liquid is increases at the bottom there than the top. Here we study one activity, an important activity there, and that activity can suggest here, denote the pressure of liquid is greater at the bottom of the bottle than the top of the bottle. Dear student, there is one plastic bottle. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण एक प्लास्टिक बॉटल घेतलेली आहे, and that plastic bottle filled with water. But before that, we make our hole by a pin, just heated pin, punch to the plastic bottle and make our hole to that plastic bottle at the bottom. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या प्लास्टिक बॉटलला एका गरम पिनच्या साहाय्याने एक छिद्र पाडा. Just one glass tube. Here we call glass tube. Glass tube feed with that plastic bottle at the bottom level, and one balloon should be fixed in this way to that just glass tube. Then that bottle can fill with water. Dear student, that particles of this water can move randomly and strike to the walls of this bottle. Means that particles of water gets flows there from high level to the low level. Dear student, look towards the arrow of the just direction of the arrow, and here that particles of water make strike or creates the pressure on that walls of the bottle, and here finally that large number of particle moves downward and strike to the bottom of the bottle. म्हणजे खूप जास्त पार्टिकल हे हाय लेवल कडून लो लेवल कडे फ्लो होतील and finally strike to the bottom of that bottle. Hence pressure of water gets increases at the bottom. The depth increases, the pressure of the water increases. Due to this, that pressure of water, that balloon should be inflated. हा जो balloon आहे त्याचा आकार वाढेल due to the pressure of water at the bottom of the bottle. Means in this way, here these activities suggest here This activity suggests here that water exerts the pressure on walls of that plastic bottle, but pressure of water should be increases with the depth here, or pressure of water increases at the bottom stage there, and due to increase in pressure that size of balloon should be increases there. Means in this way this activity suggests here that pressure of liquid is greater or increases at the bottom than the top. म्हणजे या ऍक्टिव्हिटी वरून आपण एक निश्चित करू शकतो की लिक्विडचं प्रेशर हे बॉटमला वाढते than the top end. Dear student, you know here that walls of dam, look here, that is one example. Walls of dam are broad at bottom and narrow at top. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, धरणाच्या भिंती या प्रकारच्या असतात. that is a broad at bottom, म्हणजे बॉटमला त्या ब्रॉड असतात आणि टॉपला त्या नॅरोवर असतात. that is walls of dam. Walls of dam are broad at bottom and just narrower at the top. What is the reason here? Because water stored in dam, this water stored in dam possess potential energy. म्हणजे या धरणामध्ये साठलेलं जे पाणी आहे त्यामध्ये पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी असते. दिस water stored in dam possess potential energy because all the particles of this water have a mass that attain the height above the ground level against force of gravity. Hence that water stored in dam possess the potential energy. Hence you know these particles of dam water highly strike to the bottom wall there, and pressure of that water should be increases on the bottom wall. Hence you have to accept the heavy pressure of water at the bottom. That walls of dam are broad at bottom and narrower at end. Just you know, broad at bottom and narrower at the end to accept the high pressure of water at the bottom level. Means in this way, dear student, the pressure of liquid increases at bottom. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बॉटमला हे लिक्विडचं प्रेशर हे वाढते. Pressure of liquid should be increases at the bottom and it is less at the top here. Then you know here that pressure increases as the depth of liquid increases. म्हणजे जशी जशी लिक्विडची डेप्थ वाढत जाईल तसं त्या लिक्विडचं प्रेशर जे आहे ते वाढत जाईल. मीन्स इन दिस वे that liquid can exert the pressure on any object there, that exert the pressure on walls of container there in which it can be filled there. And you know here, hence, but important point is that according to these two activity, according to these two example, that pressure of liquid increases when a depth is increases, or pressure of liquid increases with a depth, or pressure of liquid is greater at the bottom there than the top. Means in this way, dear student, you can understand here that pressure of liquid increases with a depth and liquid exert the pressure on any object or walls of container in which that liquid can be filled. In which that liquid can be filled. Means in this way, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चर मध्ये हा टॉपिक आपण शिकलोय. राइट अ नोट्स फ्रॉम माय एक्सप्लेनेशन फ्रॉम दिस बोर्ड राइटिंग, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम्स हियर and explain in your own word. Explain in your word, because dear student, you have capacity and ability to explain naturally there. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला नैसर्गिकरित्या त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एखादा टॉपिक हा एक्सप्लेन करता यायला पाहिजे. and it is necessary to understand the topic clearly. Hence, please watch all the videos of science, and in this way we can complete the topic of 8th class of the science syllabus or subject science there. And in this way, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching my such type of video there, and please subscribe my YouTube channel to study all the topic of the science of class 8. Very thanks.